Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Prashant and I have started video series on Python for beginners. If you are new to my channel, check my previous videos link in description box. Today we are learning type conversion or typecasting in Python. As we have learned in previous video what is variable. Variable is a box or container that stores a value and we will assign one name to that box. This box can be an integer, it can be a float, it can be a string, it can be a complex, or it can be any type of box. There is a special box for special data type. In typecasting, we change the box. Typecasting or type conversion means we are changing the box or container of that variable. There are two types of typecasting or type conversion. One is implicit type conversion and other is explicit type conversion. Let's try with programming. A equal to 10, B equal to 3. Now we will check the variable type of A. To check variable type of A, we will use type function and we will pass the variable name. It will be int. And we will perform divide operation. A equal to A divide B. Now we'll check A. It will be 3.33. Now we'll check the type of variable A. It will be a float. Implicitly it converts integer to float. It means we are changing the box of A to a float. Next, A equal to 10, B equal to 5.5. Now we are performing addition of A plus B. Here A is integer and B is a float. After addition of A and B, A is converted to float. We will check by type and we will pass the A. It's float. These are the examples of implicit type conversions. Now we will see explicit type conversion in Python. Suppose A equal to, in quotation, 10. We write down 10 as a string. We will check the type of A. Type of A. It will be string. To perform any mathematical operation, we need A as an integer. We can't perform addition or subtractions on a string variable. A divide 3. It will be error because it's a string. So we have to convert that string into an integer. So we have one function int and we will pass A. First we have to store that value. A equal to, first we are converting A to an integer and again we are storing this value to A. Now we will check A. It will be integer and we will check the type. It's integer. Now we can perform A divided by 3. It can be okay. This is very useful in Python because in future videos we are widely using this type of functions in our programming. Next, for example, A equal to 10.345. We'll check the type of A. It will be float. And we want integer, then we are converting int to A. First we will store A equal to int A and now we'll check the type. It's converted to int but it discarded the values after the point. Let's take another example. S equal to string of 10.456. It's a string. Now we have to convert that string into int format or float format. If we convert it to int, the point value will be discarded. So we have one function float. Float will pass yes. Now we will check the type. It will be it converted to float. The value will be 10.456. Sometimes we need number as a string format. That time we use str function to convert number to string. We'll pass yes, and now we'll check the type. It will be str. We'll check the value. It's converted to str. You can see that quotation marks that shows it's a string value. Next is d equal to tr true. It's a boolean value, but if we pass boolean value in the string, it's a string. If we check the type, it's a string, but we want true as a boolean value. We have to convert string to a boolean. Then we can use bool function and we'll pass d. Now we will check the type. It's a boolean value. Next is we are converting s equal to some Python. Now we will try to convert this string into an integer. Let's see what will happen. S equal to int of yes, it will show value error. So we can conclude that string has to be in a number format or a proper format to convert one type to another type. We can't convert anything to anything. It will show value error. Let's take a quick revision. Today we learned typecasting or a type conversion in Python. Variable is a box or a container that contains a value and it has a name. It can be an integer, string, float, boolean or any type of data type. Hence the box has a one type and we have to change that box. We use typecasting. There are two types of typecasting. One is implicit typecasting and another is explicit typecasting. Implicit typecasting, that Python internally convert the values to another format, and the explicit typecasting, we write the program to convert one data type to another data type. For this we use int function, float function, string function, boolean function and many more. But we have to remember that to convert one data type to another data type, we have to take precautions, otherwise it will show a value error. That's it for today.
Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Share your suggestion in the comment box. Thank you.